Tired of spending hours in crafting appealing slides? Well, with Power User, you don't have to keep redoing your slides all day. Thanks to the library, you can pick from tons of Power User templates, even ones customized for your company. Simply insert your key messages, and voila. So let's see how to use the library. First, open the library from this bookshelf icon. Here you can see all sorts of visual content like templates, icons, pictures, charts, and maps. But let's first focus on the templates. Here you can scroll through hundreds of Power User templates. I like this one, so I'll just click on it to insert it. As you can see, the template took automatically the colors of the current presentation. And if I want to keep the source formatting, I just have to click this button. But for now, let's keep with the automatic adjustment. Well, now that I have a fine-looking slide supporting well my ideas, all I have to do is to edit with my own text. And if I want, I can also change some few things like the colors, as everything is customizable in the slide. That's it. Next, I'm going to add a timeline in my presentation, so I'll just type timeline in the search bar. I like this one, so I'll just click here to insert it. For my next slide, I want to present 4 key ideas. So what I'll do is that I will filter down all the Power User templates by selecting only those designed to support 4 messages. Here I will select 4 items in the categories menu. In this menu, I will find only slides with 4 messages. Let's insert this one. Now I know I'm going to be reusing this slide very often in various presentations about my project, so I'll just right-click and hit Save in Library. This will save the slide in my private templates folder, and next time I need it, I won't have to browse through tons of files on the computer. I will go to the library and select My Templates. Here I can see the slide I've just saved and all the slides I've saved before, and I can insert it back. And what if I want to save not just one slide, but an entire presentation? Well, in that case, let's add a shortcut. I'll go under Sources, choose Configure Libraries, then select the plus sign. I will browse to the file I want to insert. Now I can access all the content of that file directly from the library, and I can easily insert slides from that file. If you are part of a team, just note that there are 2 ways to customize the library. First, we can integrate the PowerPoint theme of your company. This way you will see our templates and charts in your corporate colors. Second, you can push custom slides to your team. For example, the official company presentation, slides about the projects you work on, resumes of team members. This way you can all access curated and up-to-date content. As you can see, the Power User library is a fantastic resource. It will boost your productivity while making your presentations look more professional and more convincing.